Is your Windows 11 PC running slow, freezing, or lagging for no reason? Don't worry. In just 2 minutes I'll show you one feature to turn off, and that can make your computer run faster and smoother. But before we get started, give this video a thumbs up, and by the end of this video if this helps, subscribe and leave a comment below. Now let's get started. Right-click on the Windows icon, and next click on System. Look for Advanced System Settings and click on that. Click on Settings, but make sure you are on the Advanced tab. Windows is usually set to let Windows choose what's best for my computer. Adjust for best appearance or adjust for better performance. But do you know? When you select Adjust for better performance, this will uncheck all these boxes. Your computer might run faster, but here's one thing. Let's click Apply to effect this change. I'll recommend you don't use this. I just want to show you the disadvantage of choosing this option. Here's the disadvantage. Your picture stops showing their thumbnail. Instead, it only shows the picture icon. Your text shrinks and makes your windows look old. So, instead of selecting any of these options above, click on Custom. Uncheck all the checkboxes. Now you only have to check 2 boxes only. Check Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts and show thumbnails instead of icon. Click on Apply and next, click OK. Before we wrap up, keep in mind that for the smoothest PC experience, having enough RAM is very important. If the fixes in this video didn't completely solve the lagging or slow performance, your computer may simply be running low on RAM. In many cases, the best way to make a PC faster is to upgrade to a higher amount of RAM or use a computer with more memory. That's what helps your system handle more tasks smoothly and efficiently. If you'd like to learn how to increase your PC's RAM, check out the video showing on your screen right now or find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech tips. See you in the next video.